What's going on, Garrett Berry here. Chances are you're watching this video because you're looking for a Google ad alternative. Maybe you don't want to do Google ads and you're looking for a better way to generate targeted traffic for your business. Well, you're in the right place, my friend, because what I'm going to do in this video is break down why I actually think it's very difficult to use Google ads. And then very quickly after that, I'm going to share with you the alternative that gets you high quality clicks very affordably, okay, compared to what you'd be spending on Google ads. So I'm inside the Google Keyword Planner, okay, and I just want to share with you some of the bids that you would have to pay if you were to do Google ads. Now, you probably know how Google ads work, but basically the way it works is you have to pay a certain amount of money per click. So every time someone clicks on an ad, you get charged, okay, and you can actually get your ad to show on certain keywords, and you're bidding based on the popularity and the competition of those keywords. So, for example, let's say you're in the make money online home business niche. Okay, so if you were to run Google ads, you could, run an ad on this specific keyword, make money online, and it would show up, okay, as one of these top ads. So if someone clicks on this ad, this person would get charged. Now, I searched make money online into Google ads, and I want you to take a look very quickly. Okay, so this is top of page bid. This is the low range. Okay, just the low range for the keyword, let's say get money fast online, is $2.32. Okay, so every single time someone clicks this, and I'm not going to click on one of these ads just so the person, obviously doesn't get charged, but it would be, over $2 every single click, not to mention, you have to obviously convert that person to a sale and try to make some profit. Google Ads is incredibly expensive nowadays, specifically, based on like the make money online and home business niche, which is very popular. A lot of the other niches are really expensive too. You can see $1.98 just for gain money online free. Okay, so this keyword is free. This is going to attract people that don't even want to spend money. And even with that keyword alone, you can see the competition is high and it's $1.98. Okay, so what is the alternative? Well, if you haven't heard of it, it's a website called Traffic Authority. Now, I'm going to include a link directly below to the Traffic Store, which will ultimately take you to this website here. And what this is, Traffic Authority, again, if you don't know, it's been around for many, many years. And what it does is it provides you with packages of clicks. Now, these clicks are from real people that are in top tier countries such as the United States, Canada, Australia. So when you purchase one of these packages of clicks, you are going to be getting very, very high quality people. Okay, now this part is similar to Google Ads. The reason it's an alternative and the reason I recommend it is a few reasons. Number one, Google Ads can be very difficult. You have to test a lot of headlines, you have to test a lot of ad copy, you have to split test. There's a lot of moving pieces. You have to spend money on different keywords. You don't know what keyword is going to give you clicks. Okay, so you could be bidding, but not actually getting clicks. With Traffic Authority, they guarantee clicks. So you can see the delivery time is about 2 to 4 weeks. Okay, so when you purchase a package of traffic, it will deliver over about a month's time. So you're going to get consistent traffic. Now, what are the prices compared to what you would spend in Google Ads? And this is really why you want to highly consider clicking the link below and purchasing a package today. Let's say you want to do the gold package. Okay, so the price is $1,097, and the clicks that you're going to expect to receive starting within the first 24 hours usually is 850 to 950. So let's make it simple. Let's round it off. Let's say 900. Let's say the gold package, you got on average about 900 clicks. So let me bring out my calculator. Okay. So let's say you invested $1,097 into your business. And let's say you got 900 clicks. So on average, you're spending only about $1.22 per click. Okay. Compare that to, again, almost double, okay, what you would be spending, okay, in some cases, double, triple what you would be spending on Google Ads. And again, with Google Ads, you have to do a lot of testing. There's a lot of moving pieces, and you don't know that these are, going to convert, okay? So Traffic Authority, again, I mean, I've done, different reviews on it. I highly recommend it. It's primarily in the Make Money Online home business niche. So if that's the niche you're in, you can easily do this. Now, how does it work? All you do is select a package, let's say gold, which is very popular. You click other website, you just put your website in there. I highly recommend you use a capture page. You don't send them right to the sales page. You actually collect their emails so you can follow up their emails. And then you just go to this order summary, you attach a new card, debit or credit. I agree to terms and then place order. And again, within a couple, a day or less, you will start to receive traffic. All you have to do is go to active orders. You'll see your order and you will be able to really, start to get traffic fast. Now you can pause your order at any time. That's another cool thing. You can change the link if you want to test different links. But I highly recommend you think about this instead of Google Ads. Okay. It's just getting more competitive and more expensive every single month. So again, go to the link below, check this out. Just do a package. I mean, even if you want to test it, but I highly recommend you go for one of the higher packages so you can get as much clicks as possible. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.